Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are making kulikuli, a popular peanut snack which is loved by Ghanaians of all ages. Kulikuli comes in different shapes and sizes. Today we'll be making the long ones and the round ones. Let's get right into the video. We start by heating up some oil. This oil was extracted from the peanut butter for us to get the paste for our kulikuli. So here we have our kulikuli paste. This is what is left after extracting oil from the peanut butter. So in case you want to see how we came by this, kindly watch our previous video on how to make peanut oil, then you understand this better. As the oil is on fire, she will go ahead and mold the kulikuli paste into shapes that we can easily fry. Our kulikuli is now ready, and as we can see, it looks so appetizing and it looks very crispy. So I would like to know in the comment section if kulikuli is one of your favorite snacks and what name you call it in your country in case this is common in your country. Thank you. If you are gaining any value from this video so far, kindly click the like button and subscribe to this channel. Turn on your notification bell so that you'll be among the first to be notified whenever we upload a new video. Thank you. The round ones are also ready. Which one will you go for? Would you go for the long ones or the round ones? The round ones are actually soft, but the long ones are a bit crispy. So that's the difference. Let me know in the comment section. I personally prefer the round ones to the long ones. Let me know which one you prefer. They look so lovely. So here I was trying the round ones and they tasted so good. Here, our teacher for today, who is called Tina, was selling some of the kulikuli. One goes for 20 pesos. She makes this and other snacks every single day because her snacks taste delicious. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video. Bye.